Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you, Navy Federal's flagship credit card review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're looking for a heavy hitter travel card that won't drain your wallet with a massive annual fee here, well, the Navy Federal's Visa Signature Flagship Rewards card is easily the big dog of the credit union world. Now, because Navy Fed is a credit union, so they are generally way more flexible and member focused than rigid national mega banks here, which makes this card a total favorite for everyday travelers. Now, first on the pro side. Now you get an automatic 2 times points on all everyday purchases, so this makes it a phenomenal catch-all card for things like groceries or utility bills, since it effortlessly beats the standard baseline most other cards give you. Now then you get the massive 3 times points on travel, and their definition of travel is incredibly generous here. It covers flights, cruises, and hotels as well, but it also triggers for daily commute, which is kind of cool. So that includes stalls, parking, ferries, campgrounds, and even ride shares like Uber and Lyft. Now, for a tiny $49 annual fee, they pack in a ton of premium value here, including a statement credit up to like $120 for TS8 free check or global entry. Now, a free year of Amazon Prime worth $139 and even a complimentary global mobile data plan through GigSky or for when you are traveling abroad. Plus, your points never expire as long as the account stays open, and you can cash them out easily as statement credit. Now, to be fair here, so there are a few downsides that you may want to keep in mind. So first off, it is completely gated behind Navy Federal Credit Union membership, meaning if you don't have a military or family ties to join, you are locked out. Now, it is also the only card in the Navy Fed's lineup that carries an annual fee. So if you are totally allergic to paying a yearly fee, but the $49 price tag might still bug you. Now, on top of that, this is their top tier product. So meaning you generally need good to excellent credit score to score an approval here. Now, finally, while it does pack in a collision damage waiver for rental cars, the coverage is secondary. So meaning it only pays out after your personal auto insurance policy gets dragged into the mix. Now, ultimately here, if you are already a member and have solid credit score, this card is a total no-brainer because the massive everyday rewards and travel credits easily wipe out the small fee. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.